Hi there, I'm Shahi and welcome to Shahi's Easy English. Today we'll be looking at more expressions, but before we start, I just want to say thank you. A big thank you to everyone who's helping me and supporting me. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I couldn't have done it without you. I hope you have a lovely day. So let's start. Okay, so what's the first expression? The first expression is when something is a mission. What does it mean? When something is a mission, it means it was very near, impossible to achieve. Like Mission Impossible. Okay, so it was achieved. You did get to do what you wanted to do, but it was very difficult. And some moments you thought, oh, maybe I won't be able to do it. So let's look at the examples. Example number 1, it was such a mission to get tickets for the music festival, but in the end I managed to get some. Second example, it was such a mission to get the children ready on time for school because there was a problem with the electricity. Okay, because there was a problem, it was difficult to achieve the goal. Okay, so the next expression is someone is driving me up the wall, okay? Or something is driving me up the wall. Do you know what it means? It means something or someone is making me feel annoyed, angry, and even crazy, okay? So for example, we can say you lot, which would be many people. You lot are driving me up the wall. This project is driving me up the wall. That noise is driving me up the wall. It's very annoying, okay? Do you drive anybody up the wall? I hope not. Hi there, I'm Kat and I'm going to help you learn more expressions so you can sound more natural. You want that, don't you? I know you do. So the first expression is to give somebody an earful or to get an earful. An earful of what? Wax? That would be disgusting. Or water? No, it's not like that. An earful of angry words. Okay, this is what it means. When somebody is angry with you, they give you an earful. Okay? They tell you off. Or maybe when you are angry with them, you also give them an earful, okay? So, let's look at the examples. Tia was late again and her teacher gave her an earful. That means her teacher was angry at her and he told her off so she wouldn't do it again. Okay, the next example is tidy your mess up or your mom is going to give you an earful. Okay, are you a messy person? Maybe you are and you always get an earful. Hi there, I'm Jean. And it's so lovely to be here and so glad that you could make it. So, the first expression I'm going to share with you is a form of endearment. Endearment means when you call somebody by a name, lovingly, like my love, my dear, like that. So this is also a form of that. Sometimes they say hello trouble, hello trouble. This is a nice phrase to use. For somebody you are close to, that you meet every day, hello trouble. That's how people usually say it. Or hello smiler. So you can say this to your friends when you see them. Hello trouble, what are you up to? Hello smiler. Okay. So the next confusing expressions I want to share with you sound like this. Shut up! Get out! No way! Really? Are you for real? All these expressions say that, whoa, I'm surprised at what you just told me. For example, I'm moving to America next month. I've got a job there. Wow, no way! Get out! Shut up! Okay, and are you for real? Are you sure? Is that really true? Okay, the next example is, did you know that many people use the snail treatment to remove wrinkles? Do you know what wrinkles are when people get old? Their skin gets wrinkly, okay? So they use this on their face. And you might reply saying, ew, no way, get out, are you for real? That's so disgusting. I personally don't like snails. I wouldn't even think of picking it up, let alone putting it on my face. Horrible, it's disgusting. Would you put a snail on your face? Okay, so unfortunately this is the end of the video, and like always it's not the total end, because next week we will have more common expressions, not just idioms, but expressions that native speakers use, so you can sound more like a native and sound natural. Okay, so make sure you give it a big thumbs up because I know you enjoyed it. Like, share, subscribe if you didn't already, and comment. I know YouTube doesn't allow it because of the new rules that they have made to make it safe for children. Anyway, I would love to see your comments on Instagram or on Hello Talk. I have put some extra links in the section below to help you with your English. So please check them out, and I wish you an absolutely amazing time. Hope you have a wonderful day, night, evening. See you next week. Take care. Be good. Bye for now.